What's going on, guys? I'm back for another recap, and today was low key a weird day. I kind of had the bias right all morning, but the delivery was kind of weird, and the morning just decided to chop around. So I'm gonna start here on the daily. So I was getting my bias from. Oh, this is YM. I was getting my bias from the daily chart. So basically, yesterday we ended up tapping into this daily fair value gap here. I'm actually gonna chart on ES over here on the right. But yeah, we did have this daily fair value gap. And from there, I did want to see if you guys haven't checked out my time frame alignment video. The daily is aligned with the 1 hour, so I wanted to go down to the 1 hour and from there look for my model to the downside. And the model that I was looking for here is the change in state of delivery, which is a CISD. And I'm gonna chart on ES. Sorry guys, I keep charting on NQ. But okay, so the CISD would be right here. It would be the series of up close candle that tapped into the gap. So that would be this candle here, the open of that candle. Mark that out. That would be our change in state of delivery. So we did form that yesterday. And today, if you guys look here at 1800 open, if you guys checked out my key times video, we pushed up, tapped into this in London session, and from there ended up pushing down lower, creating this 1 hour gap or in the overnight session. So from that 1 hour gap here, I'm gonna mark it really quick. From that 1 hour gap here, I did want to see us push up into it and push lower around New York open. And we did almost exactly that. My indicator, I accidentally deleted it, but it's New York open is right here. We ended up, I don't know, chopping around the first like hour and a half of New York open, but we did end up pushing up into that 1 hour gap, and we did form some type of structure. If you guys look over here on the left, we did end up forming a SMT, but I got in prematurely, I'm not gonna lie, and I did kind of break my rule for that, but I did it because I entered on a lower time frame. If you guys look here, I entered on, I believe it was a 2 minute CISD. I don't know why it's right there. Was it 1 minute? I think I entered on the 1 minute CISD here. But I should have waited for the 5 minute structure, which I didn't. And kind of had me stressing a little bit, thinking I was going to get stopped out. But we ended up taking the high on NQ, showing us ES as a weaker asset. So from there, what I should have waited for was this CISD here. And that would have banged. And I was just targeting these 1 hour lows from yesterday. I believe that was, yeah, yesterday. And yeah, honestly, this is picture perfect setup. Starting on the higher time frame, looks bearish. If you guys look, this is like the exact same model that we're looking at and on the 1 hour. So this is fair value gap on the daily, fair value gap on the 1 hour. So now we just align that with the lower time frame and just look for entries. And honestly, I can see us pushing down lower tomorrow, maybe to these lows over here, even these. And yeah, I'm gonna show my executions really quick. I'm just gonna go on the 5 minute. Yeah, I did end up closing a little early just because I did hold through all this chop, so I really didn't care for like a couple $100. I didn't want to see this reverse because this was giving me hope. Displaced a little bit. It looked like it was gonna displace to the upside, but it really just ended up tapping this 5 minute CISD. If you guys see here, and also I did mention in one of my videos that this new day opening gap, it's kind of small here, but if you guys look, we rejected that perfectly on both assets. and that is where we got the SMT. But yeah, that's the trade for today. I can definitely see us pushing lower tomorrow though. But short recap today, guys, but that's gonna be it. So check out my other videos. I might have not posted them by now, but I do have some recorded and I am going to post them. I don't know if I should just drop them all at once or drop them daily, just to drop something every day, you know. But yeah, we'll see. I'm trying to like drop them in order where it'll make sense so you can build off the previous video and build your knowledge from there, and so it's not too much at once because sometimes this could be a lot. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys. You guys have a good one. Take care. It's raining right now in LA, so you guys stay dry if you guys are here. If not, go get some sun. Take care.